4 police officers have been charged with the murder of Baby Samantha Pendo during the 2017 post-election violence. Among those facing prosecution include John Chengo, Masha and Lina Kogei, high-ranking officers who were in charge of operations during the chaos in Kisumu. The Director of Public Prosecutions has approved charges against the 4 and directed 8 officers to record statements as prosecution witnesses following a comprehensive review of the case files, a move that has since been condemned by Baby Pendo's family and a section of human rights organizations, as Serfine Achieng Ouma now reports.
It's been 8 years since the brutal murder of 6-month-old baby Samantha Pendo and several other civilians who fell victim of excessive police force during protests that followed the disputed 2017 presidential election. Despite the compelling inquest findings, which pointed directly to police culpability, plea-taking for the accused officers has been delayed and deferred on numerous occasions, leaving families of victims and survivors in painful suspense. A disturbing suspense that Baby Pendo's mother hoped would end as she anxiously followed the proceedings in a packed courtroom on Monday, where 4 police officers finally took plea before Justice Margaret Muigai. Among those facing prosecution include John Chengo Masha, who has been charged with serious crimes against humanity, including murder, rape and torture.
You, first accused, John Chengo Masha, fails to take all necessary and reasonable measures within your power to prevent or suppress the unlawful killing of BSP.
Lina Kogei also faced similar charges of murder, rape and torture in connection with events that took place in 2017. At times she was serving as the officer commanding Nyalenda Police Post. Other officers, Robbie Wankio and James Rono, were also charged with rape and torture. The 4 pleaded not guilty to 1 count of murder, 11 counts of rape and 38 counts of torture. The court was also informed that the 11th suspect, Mohammed Ba, a retired officer linked to the murder of baby Samantha Pendo, remains at large.
His houses remain under rock with no trace of human movement.
The DPP approved charges against the 4 police officers and further directed that 8 police officers record statements as prosecution witnesses. Relieved by the latest development, Baby Pendo's mother termed the formal plea-taking a significant milestone in her long wait for accountability, which seemed elusive. She, however, took issue with what she claimed to be the dropping of charges against 8 other suspects in the case.
We are here representing many people who experienced bad thing in 2017. Those mothers who were raped, those one who lose their property, those one who lose their family members, more so those people who experience torture and pain. We have accused only 4 people. We don't know what happened with the 7th one, but I know our judge knows what will happen.
The charge omits senior police officers who held overall command responsibility during the operations that saw the deaths, rape and injuries of no less than 60 Kenyans in Kisumu County.
We therefore urge the judiciary to ensure that the cases against the 4 officers who took plea today are expedited.
The case will be mentioned on 12th May 2025 for further directions. Serfine Achieng Ouma, Citizen TV.